Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to check your Botim call history on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Botim app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are inside, look at the bottom menu and tap on calls. This section shows all your incoming, outgoing, and missed calls on Botim. You can scroll through the list to see all the calls. Each call will show the contact name, phone number, and call type, and the date and time of the call. If you want to see details about a specific call, tap on the contact or call entry. Here you can say call duration, exact time, option to call again or message. You can also search for a specific contact using the search bar at the top. Just type the contact's name and bottom will show the call history related to the bad person. If you want to export or save your call history, currently Botim does not provide a direct export option on iPhone, but you can take screenshots of important call logs for your records. And that's it. Now you know how to check and manage your Botim call history on your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.